What is considered beautiful? Different countries around the world have varying beauty standards, but they all revolve around the same ideals, like fair skin, small nose, and hourglass figures for women, and broad shoulders, sharp jawlines, and athletic builds for men. Some of these toxic standards can be unrealistic and unhealthy, forcing women and men to take extreme measures in order to meet them. So just how far are people willing to go to be perfect?
Cosmetic surgery is the use of medicine focused on augmenting an individual's appearance through surgical and medical techniques. It can be performed on all areas of the head, neck, and body. The areas that have been treated do function properly, but they lack the aesthetic appeal, which in turn causes cosmetic surgery to be elective. According to the American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery, the main difference between plastic and cosmetic surgery is that plastic surgery is a surgical specialty dedicated to the reconstruction of facial and body defects due to birth disorders, trauma, burns, and disease, whereas cosmetic surgery is a surgery of appearance that is elective and focuses on the aesthetics of beauty. So where did cosmetic surgery come from? Cosmetic surgery is a branch of plastic surgery, and plastic surgery's initial appearance can be traced back to as early as 3000 to 3500 BC in ancient Egypt. However, cosmetic surgery emerged in 16th century Europe. This was when new noses were fashioned by the laceration and then folding down of skin from the forehead. On other occasions during the same time, skin was harvested from the patient's arm to create the perfect nose. This can be seen in the later representation of this procedure in Iconographia de Anatomia, published in 1841. So what are the pros and cons of cosmetic surgery? Some of the pros are: cosmetic surgery can improve the appearance of a person and benefit them on a superficial level. Confidence can be improved by altering the attitude of the person having surgery. Some people need very little to jumpstart their image of themselves in a positive direction, and tweaking their physical appearance can be the boost they need in order to see themselves differently. It is not just about the surgery in itself, though. There is a change in attitude that helps the transformation. Cosmetic surgery can help people feel more accepted by others and in a way less inferior to them. However, there are also many cons to cosmetic surgery. In contrast, cosmetic surgery can also make someone feel less confident, as they are likely to wonder whether people would still like them if they knew them before they had surgery. Cosmetic surgery deals solely with aesthetics and does nothing for the emotional and mental aspects of a person. This can leave a person feeling even more lost than before surgery. There are many complications and risks when undergoing surgery. These include things like blood loss, infection, nerve damage, organ damage, and scarring. But why is cosmetic surgery so controversial? The entire cosmetic surgery market quite literally makes money off of our insecurities, and it is completely normal for that to not sit right with us. By fixing our appearances, they promote the idea that there is something wrong with what isn't considered conventionally beautiful by societal standards. Cosmetic surgery indirectly shames features and ideas like big noses, asymmetry, darker skin, and large foreheads, and gives people the false mindset that fixing your appearance will make life easier, especially with the platform given to celebrities and influencers like Kylie Jenner and Tana Mojo, who are completely botched young girls who are pressured to look a certain way. But in reality, the people who they are comparing themselves to don't naturally look like that either. On the other hand, cosmetic surgery helps people love their body and feel more comfortable in their skin. So is cosmetic surgery doing more harm than good? In order to provide a wider range of perspectives on cosmetic surgery and the controversies surrounding it, we asked a series of questions to teens in Parramatta High School. What celebrity do you think has the perfect face?
I think Megan Fox has the perfect face.
What celebrity do you think has the perfect face?
I think Jennifer Aniston does.
Does the media provoke insecurities regarding your appearance?
Yes.
And how so?
The videos about models and celebrities, the makeup tutorials that make you feel like you have to do this just to look good.
Does the media provoke insecurities regarding your appearance? How so?
For like commercials and magazines and stuff.
What is your biggest physical insecurity?
I I think it's my nose.
Are you willing to get cosmetic surgery to fix that? And what are your general opinions on cosmetic surgery?
I feel like with cosmetic surgery, if you really want to do cosmetic surgery, you can do it. There's nothing wrong with it, but I wouldn't do it.
What are your opinions on cosmetic surgeries?
I think if you have something that you want to fix, then you should go for it. It really doesn't matter.
So the big question still stands. Is cosmetic surgery worth it, and should it be allowed? There's so many different types of cosmetic surgeries that all tend to different insecurities, like breast augmentation, dermabrasion, facelifts, rhinoplasties, and the list goes on. But the one thing they all have in common is they cost a lot, and to some that may be a big waste. But although you may feel differently about whether or not changing your appearance will make a difference in the long run, by banning cosmetic surgery, you would be preventing a group of people, even if it may be a small amount, from feeling good about themselves. So let everyone decide for themselves whether or not a pretty face will make it better.